The TP-Link EAP211-Bridge KIT offers a robust point-to-point wireless solution with a reliable 5 gigahertz frequency and an impressive 867 megabits per second speed, making it ideal for high-speed data transmission. This wireless bridge is equipped with 3 gigabit ports, providing flexible connectivity options for various networking needs. Designed for outdoor use, the EAP211-Bridge KIT boasts an IP65 weatherproof enclosure and 6 kilovolt lightning protection, ensuring it can withstand harsh weather conditions. The device supports long-range wireless transmission up to 1 kilometer, making it a perfect choice for extending network coverage across large areas. With the convenience of pre-configuration, users can enjoy a quick and easy setup process, significantly reducing deployment time and effort. It offers versatile power options, allowing users to choose between power over Ethernet or direct current adapters, accommodating different installation scenarios.